from one line to the maybe after 10 lines, depends upon the condition what it gives. Okay, now so jumping statement means what? It will not execute in a sequential manner. Got everyone understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So under this we are having, under jumping statements we have break statement, continue statement, exit statement, return statement. How many types? 4 types we have. What are those? Break. As you people have come across yesterday while we were writing in switch case, break meant for what? Break is meant for what? In switch case we have come across, right? Break means what? We are going to break that statement and we are coming out of that. Case 1, actually yesterday I have written case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 in a switch statement. If I am not giving break statement there, what it is going to happen? It is going to take the next case also. Means what? I just want to only one statement, means I have to keep break for that particular statement. Means from that it will be going to the out of the case, switch case, and it comes out of that switch case and returns 0 and it come out of the complete program. Got this point everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue means what? It will be continuing. Okay, now continue means what? It's an opposite keyword to the continue. Return means as you people, once you want to come out of that program, you are going to write. Go to means what? Means from one line to the other line. If suppose if I want to go from go to, all the time will be followed by label. Suppose go to. If I give 5 means go to line number 5 means alone go to will not be there. Go to all words always follow a word, whatever it is called a label. That label could be any integer, whatever it is. Means what? Label means what? Numbering. What the label means? Numbering. If I want to move to one statement to the other statement, if I write like suppose I am in the line number 10. If I write go to 35 means my control will immediately will go from line number 10 to where it will go. Go to 35 means 35th line it is going, means what? It is jumping from line number 10 to line number 35. In the meanwhile, whatever the statements are there, those are going to be compiler. Do you understand now? Yes, everyone please. Yes, exit means you people know exit means completely done. I don't want to do anything, as we people have come across in doing data structures program. Like if you want to insert elements into the stack, push operation, deletion means pop operation. If you want to display means display. If you want to come out of that particular function means exit. Exit means what? It is coming out of the total function whatever we are writing. For that we are using an exit keyword. Understood everyone? We will have programs on all this. Okay, don't worry. So first you take minimum thing. Okay, na? So these are the things. Great. So continue, break statement, continue, and exit, go to. And here I just want to revise the under for loop we will be talking few programs we'll take. We have completed control statements, right? Those are very important thing. I am giving today we will do exercise on control statements and tomorrow we will start arrays. Is that okay for everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, we will try to do programs on control statements. If you are well and good in that, need not to worry. Tomorrow we'll proceed to arrays. Okay. So first program, I am just write a program. You people try. If you will not get, I am going to explain you later. First, you people think about it. Thinking is more required, girls. You have to think about it. Okay. Now I need your ideas. Okay. So here I am writing. If I write a program to print whether a given number is positive number or negative number using simple if else. Do you understand my question, my program? You people have to try. Write a program to print whether the given number is positive or negative. Positive or negative using what? Simple if else statement. Will you do that? Say yes or no, girls. I need your response.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Simple if else statement. You try, I'll tell. Okay? If you don't try now, then there will be no meaning of taking this, adapting this course, girls. Yes. Everyone gets so could see the question right here. Everyone could see that. Or I want to write the program now only. Yes or no? Please try to respond at least in chat box.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
I only have to write. Okay, fine. So you will not apply your brain. So once a number is given, how could you tell that number?
Give them the logic. Give them the logic, then let them do.
That's what I am telling. Think once you think, girls.
At least try చేయండమ్మా లాజిక్ అయితే పెట్టండి at least.
How could you tell that whether the given number is positive or negative means what? One condition, only simple logic, girls. Need not to go more also. Need not to think more about it. One dairy milk chocolate physically. Those who will do first.
Good one.
I will take your name. At the end of the certificate, definitely I'll give along with the certificate one chocolate. You want that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then try.
Zufsha has kept one text in the chat box.
Okay. Yes, Jipsha. Okay. So greater than 0 means what it is? Positive or negative?
Positive, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Now you apply the logic. That's all. You try to do, you got the concept. Like she said, see if any number less than, if you take any, first you read any integer variable, whether whatever it is a or b or I, whatever you take, under if condition, if I is less than 0, whatever the number is less than 0, obviously it is going to be a negative number, right? Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what I am telling you. Try, you do the program. We will see who will show first. Jipsha, you are going to get one dairy milk chocolate. First you try to complete the whole program also, Jipsha. Okay?
Zufsha
Okay.
half मेरे को है ना.
हाँ.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, do it, everyone. Are you doing, girls? Okay, I'm only starting. They are not responding. Only if you are responding, Prabha. Int main. Okay. I have to take one variable. I am taking whichever the variable that could be a. I am taking. Okay, na a, and I am not assigning any value here. If I am not assigning, what type of value it becomes?
Runtime, ma'am.
Runtime value. Very good. Now I told you write a program to print whether the given number is positive or negative using simple if else statement I told. Then you have to write if condition, right? So first what you have to take? Printf, enter any number. Okay. Next what I have to take? Scanf. Yes, at least you come with me, girls. Scanf, percentage D.
Percentage D, ampersand A, ma'am.
Very good. Ampersand A. Is there any doubt in this particular statement? No. Now I am checking if A is less than 0. If A is less than 0, what I have to print? Printf? Negative or positive?
Negative, ma'am.
Negative, ma'am.
Negative. Okay. Next, else. Else what will happen? Printf?
Positive, ma'am.
Positive. That's all right. Is there any tough in this?
No, ma'am.
Then why you people didn't think about it? Yes, got this? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Then same program, if any number, write a program to print whether the given number is an even number or an odd number. At least you try for this, whether a given number is odd or even. How will you try this?
Ma'am,
Yes.
if age equals to 0, then what will get?
If
Age equals to 0.
a equal to 0.
Yeah.
0 is less than 0. Condition is false, right?
Okay.
So it will print else whatever is there in under else, that statement it is going to print. Okay, Hasna?
Okay,
Husna,
ma'am.
Husna or Hasna?
Husna.
Husna, okay, Husna. Okay. So
Okay,
because you have to go with the condition. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
How many of you are trying this program? Write a program to print whether the given number is odd or even using simple if else. Are you trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Everyone should make an attempt, girls. If you go wrong, nothing matters. At least you people are thinking about it. That is more required. Same statements, only little bit changes have to made to this program. Even, odd. Only little small change I have to make. Where I have to make that change? Shivani, are you there? Shivani, final year Shivani. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What condition did you apply, Neha? Someone messaged in chat box. Very good. If a modulo by 2 is, what I have to write is equal, double equal to we have to give, Jifsha? Okay. Very good. So what I have to write here? Small change in the given program instead of less than. Less than is which type of operator it is? Relational operator or conditional operator or logical operator? What type of operator it is?
Relational, ma'am.
Relational operator. Very good. If a modulo by 2 is equal to 0, we have to take two equal to, then only it will become equal to. If you take one single equal to means you are assigning value. Okay, so a equal to 2, b equal to 3, na? In such case it will take, but I have to give when I want to compare, no, at that time I have to give equal to. If a modulo by 2 is equal to 0 means modulo means we are going to consider remainder as the result, right? Suppose here if after executing this program I'm going to enter any number means I have given number as 24. So 24 is divided by 2. What will I get the output? Reminder what I'll get?
12.
Reminder, not question. Reminder 0, right? Yes,
Yes,
Shivani?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shivani. Reminder, modulo, whenever the modulo is given, you have to go with the reminder. Okay. So 24 modulo by 2 means I'll be getting 2 12s are 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0. So reminder is 0. So then I am going to print it as even number. Otherwise it becomes odd number. If I take 26, so sorry 25. So for 25, whether it is an odd number or an even number?
Odd number.
How could you tell it is an odd number? Because you have to apply the condition again here. 25 modulo by 2 will be getting remainder as 1. 1 is equal to 0 here.
No, ma'am.
No. So here the condition has gone false. So if the condition is false, it is going to write whatever the statement is written under else, that it is going to be executed. Clear in this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt here? No, right?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So if everyone understood, well and good. Okay. Now next program we people have discussed like loopings. Loopings we could write many types of programs under loopings. When we will talk about arrays, again we'll be having this looping concept in the topic in the discussion. Before that, you people I told you nested if condition. Nested if means what? If within the if. Similarly, we have for loop, nested for loop also. Nested for loop means what? For within the for. What it is? For within the for loop. Again, I have that. So for this, actually, I am going to write a program where the output will be like this. From here onwards, you have to think as first will be 1. In the next line, I have to get 2. 2. Next line, I have to get okay. In the next line, I have to get 3. 3. Next line, I have to get 4. 4. 4. 4. This is my output. I have to write program accordingly. Do you understand here? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So for this, how we have to write program means, obviously by looking at this, you have to understand it is a two-dimensional program. How could you tell it is a two-dimensional means? Here one is like, we are in this particular thing, I could see rows and columns. Can I see rows and columns? Means not like a tabular column, but this is the first one is locating at the first row, 2 2 is second row, 3 3 is third row, 4 4 is like 4 4s are fourth row, and again I could take like this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Columns.
Yeah, column. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, right? Have you seen this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So by looking at this, you have to know that here within one loop, I am not going to get this output. So, but to execute this output, I need two for loops. Okay, do you understand when we have to use two for loops? Okay, clear with this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I start writing the program. I am taking like int I comma j. Okay, now why I am taking I comma j? Because I told you we are going to use two for loops. One is for outer for loop, the other one is for inner for loop. Two for loops means loop within the loop. Okay, so I is for one for loop, j is for the other for loop. So here I am taking directly, I am coming for. So under for, I told you three statements are there. What are those three statements? What are those three statements?
Initialization.
Very good. Initialization, then
Condition.
Condition, increment
good.
or decrement.
Very good. Excellent, girls. Condition initialization first, it should be followed. Why I am calling them as a statements means we are going to terminate them by a semicolon. That is why they will be called as a statement. Okay. For I equal to, because I did not give any value here. I just declared int I comma j. Okay. Have I given any values there? No. So first I am taking int I equal to 1. What I have to give next? Semicolon or colon?
Semicolon.
Very good. I equal to 1. I less than or equal to. Suppose here how many lines I am going to print? Only 4. Only 4, right? So I am going to give here 4 colon I plus plus. Okay, understood everyone this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here I am going to get, so print one more, I'll tell you explain. Print f. This has to be in the next line. One is first line, second two I am getting, right? Printf. What I have to do? Slash n. Okay, slash n. I am going to write. This is the thing. Again, I am going to write for j equal to 1. Okay, semicolon. J less than I. J less than or equal to I. So what condition I have to take here? J less than or equal to I. J plus plus. I'll explain in the program. You don't worry. So here I am given capital I. It will show you an error or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it will show. Okay. Now you have to printf percentage d comma I. Okay. Semicolon. I am just finishing this program. I'm going to close this. One more. If you don't want this, you need not require, because only one statement means, is it necessary to write there? Got my point, everyone here? I will tell. Return 0. close this. Okay. So we will try to, I'll explain you. So what is my requirement? I want to display the output like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Now what I have to do for this, I have to take two for loops. So this one for loop, within the one for loop, again I am taking one more for loop. So then I can call it as a nested for loop. Is it clear with this definition? What it is meant by nested for loop? Yes. So here as we are using two for loops, how many variables have to declare? Two variables are necessary. Yes, that is I comma j. You can take I comma j, a comma b, c comma d, whatever it. But we people are very much habituated for loop using I and j. That's all. Clear? Now, first I want to check I equal to 1. I value is 1. Condition is C. Girls, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
I equal to 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 4. You may get the doubt. Why we are taking only 4 means here I have taken only 4 lines. If I take next line 5 means then I can change here 5. If I can take 10 means here I have to show 10. Got it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So 1 is less than or equal to 4. Condition is true or false? 1 is less than or equal to 4. Condition has become true or false?
True, ma'am.
When it is true, it is going to enter into the for loop. It is going to enter into the for loop, right? Here, it is going to print what slash and next line means next line. Okay, now printf here j equal to 1. Again, it has come into the earlier. So j equal to what it is here? J value is 1, right?
ma'am.
J value is 1. So, j is less than or equal to I means 1 is less than or equal to 1. Condition is true or false? 1 is less than or equal to 1. Equal to is there means it is the true condition. If I will not give 1 is less than 1 is false. But here what I have taken 1 is less than or equal to 1. Condition has become true or false now? It has become true. So here next what if it has become true, it is going to enter into the for loop. What I is holding presently? I holding
1, ma'am.
1. So first line is printed. First line is printed. Okay. 1 is printed here. Clear? First line output. After that, once it is executing, now it is going to increment. J is going to be incremented. So J is now, earlier it was 1. Now J has become what? 1 plus is what? 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, J value is 2, but I value remains 1 only, right? Till. So 2 is less than or equal to 1. Condition is true or false?
False, ma'am.
False. Once the condition is false, it is going to come out of the inner loop, but not from the outer loop. Only inner loop condition has gone fail, but outer loop is same. Yes? Do you have any doubt here? No one? No, na?
No, ma'am.
Very good. If no doubts, very good. So here what is happening? I told you. Here I have tested condition. Now I have completed this. Now I go for incrementing I value. I value first it was 1. Now whenever I am incrementing I value, what value it is going to take? I value become what now?
5, ma'am.
Huh?
5.
No, 2. Neha, I value 2 అవుతుంది ప్లీజ్. I value ముందు 1 ఉండే. 1 is less than or equal to 4 కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే ఇంకో ఫర్ లూప్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. అక్కడ ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏమైతుంది? మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ లూప్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఆ ఫర్ లూప్ లో టిల్ కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయినంత వరకు ఐ విల్ బి ఇన్ దట్ ఇన్నర్ లూప్ ఓన్లీ. ఇన్ దట్ ఇన్నర్ లూప్ వన్స్ ద కండిషన్ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ ఫాల్స్, అగైన్ ఐ విల్ బి మూవింగ్ టు ద ఇంక్రిమెంటింగ్ ఆఫ్ I value because outer loop is not at false, na? It is still in that form only. So now I value becomes 2. 2 is less than or equal to 4. Condition has become true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. True means same thing. Means we are doing same things repeatedly. That's why I called them as looping statements. Again I come here. Now you have to remember one thing. Once first like when I equal to 1, here J condition, it has printed one statement. After that condition has gone, no, again it have moved to the outer loop. When it is moved to the outer loop, second time again it is coming to the inner loop. J value again it takes a fresh value as 1. Please try to make a note of it, everyone. Do you understand this point? Once it leaves here, J value inner loop condition, once it has become false, again it will be moving to the outer loop. Second time now outer loop is coming to the inner loop, right? When it is coming
Yes,
second
ma'am.
time to the inner loop, J value is not 2. It is again, means dynamically, it is going to change its value. Again, it is starting from the beginning. J value take as 1. Please, this is the thing you have to be noted. Clear, understood everyone?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, now J is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true or false?
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
Yes, Jipsha. So here what? For I equal to 2 now I have taken. 2 is less than or equal to 4. Condition is true or false? 2 is true. True means it will be entering into the for loop, right? Yes. It will enter into the for loop and it will check the statements. Okay, printf next line means what? After 1, I just showed 2 in the next line or not? I have shown 2 in the next line, right? So for that slash and it will be now cursor will be pointing toward the next line. After that, now again J value earlier it was 2. Earlier when it reached to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 1. Condition has gone false. It went to the outer loop. Now second time again it is enter into the inner for loop. Do you understand, Jafsha? Now?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah, means second time when it enters into the for loop again, J value is taking again a fresh value. Means J again it is assigned to 1. J is again that is assigned to 1. So 1, now I value, what I value is holding present? I value is holding
2, ma'am.
2. Yes, very good. 1 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true or false?
True, ma'am.
2. When the condition is true, it is going to into the loop again. So printf percentage %d comma I. I value what it is holding now?
2, ma'am.
2, it is going to take 2 now. Again what it will do now? Again it will increment J plus plus. Now J value becomes what? 2. So J equal to 2 and I is also 2. 2 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true or false? 2 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true, right?
True, ma'am.
True. Again it will enter true means it will enter into the loop. Printf what statement is here? Percentage d comma I. I again holding 2. That's why here in the second statement 2 comma 2. 2 2. Do you understand first 2 lines of output?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, now what will be there? Once after executing, it will be going for increment again. So J value is now plus plus. Now J is what? Now J value has what value it is holding, right?
3, ma'am.
3. 3 I value 2. 3 is less than or equal to 2. Condition is true or false?
False, ma'am.
False. Once it is false, it will be moving to the outer loop. Okay, now till the outer loop gets failed, then only it will come out of the two for loops. Everyone understood this tracing? I want to
Yes,
explain the
ma'am.
complete program. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'll be changing the output. Simple change you have to make in the program and you have to tell what that change is. Everyone is done with this program means I'll be changing the output and you have to make some change only in the program. Shall I do that? Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. This is the way how you will understand writing programs. Okay, 1 2 3 here. 1 1 2 3. Okay, this is the output you have to show now. Same program, but you have to make some change in the program. Where you have to make that change, please think and do. Do you understand? If you give me the correct answer, right, I feel you are very great and clever. Who will tell? We will see. Small change, very good. Remind. Okay, Joshu. Only little change you have to make. Do not act. Try to do. What change I could make? Think, please think.
Ma'am, printf at the place of I, we need to write J.
Super. Explained it, Joshua. Very good. Excellent. J. Because J is first time it is taking 1, second time it is taking 2. First line 1. After that J only all the time changing its value, right? Yes, very good. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now J, because J all the time keeps, I means constant value till its conditions 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. But J means all the time it keeps on changing. That's why you could get the output 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clever, very clever answer. Superb. Okay, everyone understood this? Now I want to print same thing. Instead of this, instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to print asterisk at the thing. Means what? In the place of 1, what I have to show? My output should be like this. In the first line I have to get, in the second line I have to get 2, in the third line I have to get 3, in the fourth line I have to get 4. So what change I could make to the existing program again? Do you understand what it is? Output? అర్థమైందా? అర్థం కాలేదా? Respond, girls, please try to respond. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు 1 2 3 4 5 ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ 1 2 3 4 5 కాకుండా నాకు ఆ ప్లేస్ లో ఈ ఆస్టెరిస్క్ సింబల్ రావాలి. నేను ఏం చేంజ్ చేయాలి మళ్ళీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో? స్మాల్ చేంజ్. సేమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ I am writing in a different manner. Output I have changed. Logic, everything is same.
Percentile D, ma'am.
Percentile D is needed. Percentile D is needed here. What, Sumati? Not needed, right? Not required, because I am not going to take any
Just
value.
printf star, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes, nothing more than that. Printf star, that's all. If I do like this, every time instead of 1 2 3 4 printf star, it is going to execute like this. Understood now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood, right? You are done. Very, very good,
Yes,
girls.
ma'am.
Next output. Now all the time I am focusing only on the increment. Now I want to change this program into decrement. Means what? I will be changing the program like this. Same program, same for loop, little bit changes made to the, this is the, I'll take numbers instead. Okay, 4 4 4 4 3 3 2 2 1. This output, this is the output. I have to write program for this. So here what it is, what first thing you have to notice, మీకు ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అన్నాను. ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లో ఒక నెంబర్ ఉండే, సెకండ్ లైన్ లో 2 numbers ఉండే, థర్డ్ లైన్ లో 3 numbers, ఫోర్త్ లైన్ లో 4 numbers. So you could blindly say that we have to apply increment operator. But here what it is happening, first line lo 4, second line lo 3, third line lo 2, fourth line lo 1 ఉంది. Means they are decreasing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When they are decreasing, what operator I have to use here? Instead of decrement, increment, decrement. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, very good. So I is equal to 1. Here what I have to take means, instead of less than, whenever you are using decrement operator, you have to use here greater than 0, girls. Whatever the program it is, you have to take greater than 0. Till that greater than 0, I will be checking, right? Okay, now we will see. I will trace this also. So whenever we are using decrement operator, I have to give j is greater than or equal to 0 or j greater than 0. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first I value is, sorry, first you have to take 1. This program also we can do, but according to this, first all 4 ones, next what, 4. This is my program. Same thing, I equal to 1. Okay, so I is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, sorry, I have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
take I value as 4, girls. I value what I have to take? 4.
Yes, ma'am.
I value also have to change. I should not take the less value, because within we are not going to get the exact output. Okay. So here again, first whatever we have taken, like for this program, 4, we will see 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. We will see, we'll trace the program again, you don't worry. So here what we are going to do, int I comma j, I equal to 4 I have taken here. So I have assigned I value as 4. 4 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. Condition is true. It will enter into the loop here. It will enter into the loop means here I have to take j value also 4. What I have to take j value also here 4, because at the first line itself I have printed 4 values, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So accordingly means what, 4 is greater than 0. Condition is true. Here what I have to print now, I have to change percentage %d, then comma j. J or I. What I have to place here, I or j? Please tell.
J, ma'am.
J. J or I? Please clear. 4 నెంబర్ సేమ్ 4 4 4 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. అంటే ఏంటి? J నా అయ్యా? I కదా? J తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దస్ ఐ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ 4 3 2 1. Do you understand my point? I have to take here J means I have written a program, my output should appear in this manner. So I have to print here I or J? I have to print
I.
because till this condition become false, only I is holding 4, then only it will be satisfied. Okay, now first I means what, I is holding 4, so it has printed 1 4. Yes, everyone understood this. After that it is going to be decremented. Now j value is becoming 3. 3 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false? True. If it is true, again it will be coming here. What is the I value holding? 4. So like that till it reaches. Do you have any doubt here? Yes, everyone understood this, or I have to explain it again?
Explain it again, ma'am.
Explain it again. Very good. So I equal to 4. When only 2 conditions you have to remember, girls. Make output means all the time we have to write program according to the output. Okay, na output patti నాకు ఇది ముందే require నాకు ఇలా ఉంది output. So నేను output ని చూసుకొని okay, here 4 lines are there, 4 columns are there. I have to take 2 for loops for clear. And here the second thing what you have to see here. So first 4 numbers, in the second line 3 numbers, third line 2 numbers, last line 1 number. Means what? It is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Decreasing means under for loop I have to opt decrement operator. What I have to opt? Decrement operator. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are doing decrement operator, at that time I cannot take I value as 1 or 0, because it will not, sometimes if I take 0 it will not print any statement. Then for the first condition itself it goes wrong, it will be totally coming out of the for loop. So whenever I am using decrement operator, I value, maximum value I have to take. Here maximum value is 4, right? 4 lines I have taken 4 here. Got it,
Yes,
everyone? Yes. So I value 4 I have taken here. So greater minus means what? When I am doing subtraction, at last I will be getting 0, right? So I have to check this condition, at last it reaches to the value 0. So here that's why I am keeping, whenever we are using decrement, I greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. Condition has become true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. Condition true aithe it is going to enter into the, yes, ఎస్ ట్రూ ట్రూ అయితే కండిషన్ లోపలికి ఫర్ లూప్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు జే వాల్యూ ఏమైంది? జే ఈస్ ఆల్సో 4 ఐ హావ్ టేకన్ హియర్. సో 4 ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. కండిషన్ ఇస్ ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్?
ట్రూ మ్యామ్.
ట్రూ ట్రూ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఫర్ లూప్ లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. ట్రూ అయిన తర్వాత ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ టు ద ఫర్ లూప్. వాట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ రిటర్న్ హియర్? printf పర్సెంటేజ్ d కామా i. i ఏం వాల్యూ హోల్డ్ చేసుకోండి? I is holding 4.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. I is holding 4. Okay, it has printed first 4. Okay, now after that what it will do? Now it will decrement. Once after printing only, then it will be moving to the third statement. J value which was 4. Now after decrementing 1, it is going to be 3. Yes, J value has become 3. 3 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
True ma'am.
True. When the condition is true, again it will enter into the for loop. Here again what statement it has to print? Print the percentage d comma I. I value is holding again 4. So second 4 I am getting. Next what? After printing this, now J value again it will be decrementing. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2.
2 ma'am.
Yes, J value is 2. 2 is greater than or 0. 2 is greater than 0. Condition is true again. So it will enter into the loop. So I value is again 4. 1 4. After that J value becomes 1. 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
True ma'am.
True. True means I value it is printing. 4 4s are printed. Now J value 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
False ma'am.
False అయితే it is going to completely come out of the inner for loop. Now it is going to the outer for loop. I value is now I value earlier it was 4. Now minus means I value is going to be 3. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, 3, right?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Here I have to change this one, girls. J is greater than or equal to I. We will see. So here what? I value is 2. 2 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
True ma'am.
True.
ma'am.
True. So it is entering into the loop here. J is equal to 4. Here instead of 4, I will take it as J equal to I minus 1, girls. Okay. Here we have to change little bit changes we have to make to the program here. Okay. Now because for this accordingly I will be getting 4 3s, but I want only 3 3s, right?
Yes ma'am.
So what change I could make here? You just think. We have to make little bit changes here. Change here. Small change we have to make. What have to keep here? J equal to I minus 1. Can I keep?
Yes
J
ma'am.
equal to I have to keep, right? No. J equal to not I. In the condition I have to change. J is greater than or equal to I. Just think everyone please. I am not getting it here. If I want to get only 3s, for what I have to give here condition? J is greater than or equal to I if I give. Can I give like this? No, na? Will you try it as homework? In the meanwhile, I'll also think about it. Yes, everyone will do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
ఓకే స్మాల్ చేంజ్ ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి, నేను కూడా అప్లై చేస్తాను. ఓకే సో హియర్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్, యూ జస్ట్ థింకింగ్ దట్స్ ఆల్, నథింగ్ మోర్ దాన్ దట్. సో J value what I have to keep if I want to get this 3 3 3. J equal to 4 I cannot take. J equal to I means no, it is going to decrement. No, during this condition only we have to check, girls. We will try it. Okay, you will also do along with me. Yes, J is greater than or equal to I. We can take like that also. Will you get like this? J is greater than or equal to I. Okay, fine. So J value what it is holding now? 4. Oh, yeah, we can take like this. But it is not suitable, Jefsha. So J 3 is greater than or equal to 3. Next J will be 2. I have to get 3 threes here now. According to this, I'll be getting only 2 threes. So this condition also won't apply. Got my point, Jafsha?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will try. Okay, now how many of you will try tomorrow? If you got it, you can message in the chat or WhatsApp also. If you are getting right now on, you can try. అర్థమైంది అందరికి?
Ma'am.
So here some change we have to make. So please think about it. Tomorrow we will have discussion about this. Okay, otherwise in the chat only, in the WhatsApp only you can try. I will be trying. After that I will be sending that message also in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
I have to share the attendance link. Girls,
Yeah, Prabha.
don't
Yeah,
log off. Kindly wait. At the same time, I want to share one YouTube link where I have like created the question for today's this one if condition. If you could go watch that video and post your comments on that video, that will be helpful. I mean, like an assignment it is. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please check that video. It is only for 1 minute. Okay. Question I have like shared on that video. Check it and share your answer in the comment box, or you can share it on the WhatsApp. Doesn't matter. Need not give any comments also. Just 2 minutes I am sharing.
Okay. Tomorrow we will proceed, girls. In the meanwhile, if you get, you please write in the WhatsApp group. Tomorrow we will start with a new topic, arrays. Okay?
And it
Okay,
is very
ma'am.
important topic, girls. Please ask your friends, those who are not attending the class, to attend the class. As the strength I could see very less today. Please ask your friends to attend the class. Those who have registered, they only.
Okay. So tomorrow, those who are not paid girls, please tell your names because we have to prepare the certificates. Still, many girls are being dropped at the middle. Okay, now. So is this class is helpful for you or not, girls?
Helpful, ma'am.
Helpful, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you have to. It's very helpful. What, Hima? Himavarshini,
Yes,
Jipsha.
ma'am.
Yes. Sanidhi, okay na Sanidhi? I could see many girls here, okay? So tomorrow we will start. Okay. So if no doubts, you can fill that attendance and you can attend this. Thank you. No doubts, right? Everyone, no one is having doubts?
I have shared the attendance sheet link and assignment link. Kindly check with the question and complete it. Write it on the paper, the answer or the whatever the logic or the program, and put it on the WhatsApp.
ఎంపీసీ శ్రీ వైష్ణవి అర్థమవుతుందా అమ్మా నీకు? శ్రీ వైష్ణవి సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఎంపీసీ.
Yes, ma'am.
రీచ్ అవుతున్నావు కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
వెరీ గుడ్ దెన్ ఫైన్. ఓకే. Yes, once you have filled that, you can leave the session, girls. We'll wind up, Prabha. రాజశ్రీ అర్థమవుతుందా? సెకండ్ ఇయర్ రాజశ్రీ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Supratika, Maheshwari, Gautami. Supratika, you were absent for class today.
Actually, I went to village, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. Mani Dikshita. Final year is Mani Dikshita is from final year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. అర్థమవుతుందా మణి దీక్షిత?
Yes, ma'am. అవుతుంది, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Second years, many are here. Gautami, Vinutna, Parvati, Rekha. Okay, Ramya. So I hope you people are understanding, right?
Shall I wind up?
Yes, Prabha. Yes, yes, you
Yes,
can.
I'm ending the meeting then.
Yeah. Good night,
I hope
girls.
You have seen the YouTube link also and the attendance sheet link also. Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Chalo, bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.